हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू सर्विसेज क्लासेस। मेरा नाम अश्मिता है और आज की क्लास में हम लोग केमिस्ट्री के बारे में डिस्कशन करेंगे। नाउ केमिस्ट्री नॉट एज अ सब्जेक्ट इंडिविजुअली बट फॉर यूपीएससी सिविल सर्विसेज ऑप्शनल पेपर. Here we are going to discuss the syllabus as well as the pattern of chemistry optional for UPSC civil services. Now in UPSC civil services mains exam, chemistry is one of the optional papers with two papers in it. That is optional paper 1 and optional paper 2. And in today's class, we are going to discuss about the entire paper of chemistry optional. Now, chemistry optional paper mostly focus करता है on atomic structure, then on the states of matter, then different kinds of reactions and so on. Each paper will carry 250 marks with a total of 500 marks. And these two optional papers are actually part of 9 essay papers of UPSC mains examination. कुछ टॉपिक्स ओवरलैप करते हैं विद फिजिक्स सिलेबस फॉर द यूपीएससी, लेकिन ऑब्वियसली केमिस्ट्स, केमिकल इंजीनियर्स और डॉक्टर्स एंड अलाइड मेडिकल प्रोफेशनल्स एंड हैजमैथ स्पेशलिस्ट्स के लिए जो भी टॉपिक्स होगा वो तो ऑब्वियसली कॉमन नहीं होगा विद फिजिक्स पीपल. So here I'm going to start discussing in details about the chemistry syllabus. Let us start with paper 1. पेपर 1 में जो पहला सेक्शन होगा उसमें आप लोगों को एटॉमिक स्ट्रक्चर्स से क्वेश्चंस मिलेगा, जैसे कि हेसेनबर्ग's अनसर्टेनिटी प्रिंसिपल, स्क्रोडिंगर वेव इक्वेशन, देन इंटरप्रिटेशन ऑफ वेव फंक्शन, पार्टिकल इन वन डायमेंशनल बॉक्स, quantum numbers, hydrogen atom wave functions, shapes of s, p and d orbitals. जो next section होगा वो deal करता है with chemical bonding and you can expect questions from ionic bond, characteristics of ionic compounds, then lattice energy, Born-Haber cycle, covalent bond and its general characteristics, polarities of bonds and molecules and their dipole moments, then valence bond theory, then concept of resonance and resonance energy, molecular orbital theory, that is LCAO method, bonding, then comparison of valence bond and molecular orbital theories, bond order, bond strength and bond length. The next section would deal with solid state. Now solid state से आपको questions मिल सकता है based on crystal systems, designation of crystal faces, then lattice structures, unit cell, Bragg's law, X-ray diffraction by crystals, close packing, radius ratio rules, calculation of some limiting radius ratio values, structures of NaCl, ZnS, CaCl, CaF2, then stoichiometric and non-stoichiometric defects, impurity defects, semiconductors. The next section would deal with the gaseous state and transport phenomenon. Now here you can expect questions from equation of state for real gases, intermolecular interactions, then critical phenomena and liquefaction of gases, then Maxwell's distribution of speeds, intermolecular collisions on the wall and effusion, then thermal conductivity and viscosity of ideal gases. The next section would deal with liquid state and here you can expect question from Kelvin equation, surface tension and surface energy, then wetting and contact angle, interfacial tension and capillary action. The next section deals with thermodynamics. Here you can expect questions from work, heat and internal energy, then first law of thermodynamics, second law of thermodynamics, entropy as a state function, entropy changes in various processes, entropy reversibility and irreversibility, free energy functions, then thermodynamic equation of state, Maxwell relations, temperature, volume and pressure dependence of U, H, A, G, Cp and Cv, and JT effect and inversion temperature, criteria for equilibrium, then relation between equilibrium constant and thermodynamic quantities, introductory idea of third law of thermodynamics. Next, you can expect questions from phase equilibria and solutions, which might include topics like Clausius-Clapeyron equation, then phase diagram for a pure substance, then phase equilibria and binary systems, partial miscible liquids, then upper and lower critical solution temperatures, then partial molar quantities, their significance and their determination, then excess thermodynamic functions and their determination. Next, you can expect questions from electrochemistry, which might include topics like Debye-Huckel theory of strong electrolytes and Debye-Huckel limiting law for various equilibrium and transport properties, galvanic cells, concentration cells, electrochemical series, measurement of EMF of cells and its application, fuel cells and batteries, measurement of EMF of cells and its applications, then fuel cells and batteries, processes at electrodes, double layer at the interface, then rate of charge transfer, current density, overpotential, electroanalytical techniques, amperometry, ion selective electrodes and their use. Next section is based on chemical kinetics. Here you can expect questions from differential and integral rate equations for zeroth, first, second and fractional order reactions, then rate equations involving reverse, parallel, consecutive and chain reactions, then branching chain and explosions, effect of temperature and pressure on rate constant, study of fast reactions by Stokes flow and relaxation methods, collisions and transition state theories. The next section is based on photochemistry, and here you can expect questions from absorption of light, decay of excited state by different routes, then photochemical reactions between hydrogen and halogens and their quantum yields. The next section deals with surface phenomena and catalysis, and here you can expect questions from adsorption from gases and solutions on solid absorbents, then Langmuir and BET adsorption isotherms, determination of surface area, characteristics and mechanism of reaction on heterogeneous catalysts. The next section is based on bioinorganic chemistry, and you can expect questions from metal ions in biological systems and their role in ion transport across the membranes, cytochromes and ferrodoxins. The next section is coordination chemistry, and you can expect questions from bonding in transition of metal complexes, then isomerism in coordination compounds, then Ian rule, synthesis structure and reactivity of metal carbonyls, then complexes with aromatic systems, synthesis, structure and bonding. The next section deals with main group chemistry, and here you can expect questions from boranes, borazines and cyclic phosphazine, then silicates and silicons, interhalogen compounds, then sulfur nitrogen compounds, noble gas compounds. The next section will deal with general chemistry of T-block elements, and here you can expect questions from lanthanides and actinides, then separation, oxidation states, magnetic and spectral properties, lanthanide contraction. Now we are going to discuss about UPSC chemistry syllabus for paper 2. The first section deals with delocalized covalent bonding, and here you can expect questions from aromaticity, annulenes, azulenes, tropolones, fulvenes, sidnones. The next section deals with reaction mechanisms, and here you can get questions from general methods, that is both kinetic and non-kinetic methods of study of mechanisms or organic reactions. Isotopies, method crossover experiment, intermediate trapping, stereochemistry, energy of activation, thermodynamic control and kinetic control of reactions. You can also get questions from reactive intermediates of carbonyls and carbanions, then free radicals, carbenes, benzines, nitrines. You can also get questions from substitution reactions, then elimination reactions, addition reactions, reactions and rearrangements. The next section deals with pericyclic reactions, which includes classification and examples of Woodward-Hoffmann rules, then electrocyclic reactions, then cycloaddition reactions and sigmatropic shifts, FMO approach. The next section deals with preparation and properties of polymers. Which might include topics like organic polymer polyethylene, then polystyrene, then polyvinyl chloride, Teflon, nylon, terylene, synthetic and natural rubber. The next section deals with synthetic uses of reagents. There are other sections dealing with photochemistry, spectroscopy, rotational, vibrational, electronic and nuclear magnetic resonance, mass spectrometry and so on. So that was the entire discussion of the syllabus of chemistry optional for UPSC IAS examinations. And if you really want to crack this examination in the first attempt, then you need a better mentor and a better coach, and also a strategic planned preparation technique. For that you need guidance from Saurabh Sir's classes. हम यहाँ पे सॉल्व स्टडी मटेरियल्स प्रोवाइड करते हैं, प्रीवियस ईयर्स के क्वेश्चन पेपर्स सॉल्व करते हैं, सैम्पल पेपर्स, अनसॉल्व पेपर्स सभी को हम यहाँ पे सॉल्व करवाते हैं. As well as if you have certain doubts in some questions, you can provide us with those questions. We will help you out with those. If you want to enroll in our classes, do check the description box below. We provide live classes, regular classes, online, offline classes, doubt clearing classes, crash course facilities, scholarship facilities, and also we provide 24/7 portal access of our recorded lectures to the candidates who have enrolled with us, and those candidates can check these lectures at any time. 24/7 is available, and they can view those lectures as many times as they want. So if you want to enroll with us, do check the description box below. एंड मोर ओवर हम यहाँ पे सभी एंट्रेंस एग्जामिनेशंस के लिए और सभी कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जामिनेशंस के लिए कोचिंग प्रोवाइड करते हैं. सो डू एनरोल विद अस टू गेट द guidance of our teachers and to get all the other benefits of our institution. So that was all for today's class. We are going to meet once again in our next classes.